Imagine a world where architecture is more than just walls and ceilings, where the spaces breathe with us and transform with us. Hi, I'm Moshe Katz, and this is Archi Therapy course. Archi Therapy reimagines architecture as a living force that nurtures our well-being. It's about creating environments that actively engage with your emotions, your energy, and your spirit. Through music, light, vibrations, technology, and art, architecture becomes more than shelter. It becomes a tool for healing and transformation. Imagine standing in a light drop, where light beams soothe your soul, or reflecting in Sensitarium, a sanctuary designed for quiet moments. Picture yourself moving through dancing architecture, where design and movement reflect the music, or experiencing the space of emotions where every detail resonates with your feelings. For years, I've explored the connections between psychology, spirituality, and design, asking one question: how can architecture help us heal? As an architect and interdisciplinary artist, my journey has been shaped by blending psychology, spirituality, and design. From the timeless inspiration of Florence to projects that combine light, sound, and movement, I've explored how architecture can touch the soul. Archi Therapy is the culmination of that journey, a way to design spaces that connect with the people who live, work, and dream within them. This course invites you to rethink how to create. Practical exercises will guide you to apply these principles, transforming the spaces you create and the lives they touch. Whether you're an architect, designer, artist, or simply someone passionate about the impact of spaces on our lives, this course will transform how you see and create. Archi Therapy isn't just about solving problems. It's about imagining a new world. A world where architecture doesn't just shelter, but nurtures and heals us. Let's take this journey together and unlock the power of healing spaces. So, if you're ready, let's get started.